Hi brothers and sisters, this is Big Al from Holy Fire Bushcraft and the Spirit Calls Survival School. Today's video is part 2 of a makeshift forage. I'll take you over here and I'm going to show you what I've done. I mentioned in the last video before this one that I was going to have to figure out something to make me a grate to put down in this drum here of my forge. So I have run across some wire that I had, or like this. This is from a used air filter out of a machine, and I just took the wire away from the filter and made me a grate out of it. Plus I've also got a scrap piece of metal grate that I've got inside there too to support the wire. So I'm going to take you over here and I'm going to let you see what I've got already done, and then we'll go on to something else on this project. Now, as you can see, I've got that wire down in there, and I've also got a grate right there too to make that a little bit more stronger. Now the next thing I want to do is I'm going to make me a wind blind here on the top so that it will keep the heat in this area here. So I've got a piece of, get my gloves here because this stuff is sharp and I want to cut my hands. A piece of metal roofing. Good, it's pretty good stuff and it's flexible. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take my hammer here that I've got, and I'm going to try to shake this at around this this brake drum. Now that I've bent this piece right here that was bent over, made it a little bit flatter, I'm going to see if I can't bend it inward. Take a little bit ingenuity. I think I might take my little snippers over here and see if I can cut a few little slits in it. Might make it bend a little bit easier. Take my snippers here. Cut me a slit here. Maybe one here. Maybe one right here. Probably go ahead and do it on this other side too. See if it'll help bend it just a little bit. Hammer again. See if I can't see if it'll bend now. It's a shake. Use these rocks to hold it in. All right. Ain't perfect, but it'll do the job. So now I've got like a little wind blind here to keep the wind from blowing. Maybe keep the heat in this area. Now there's all kinds of different ways to make a forge online. I mean, you can use your imagination on this. I'm just doing this thing on the fly, just kind of experimenting to see what I can utilize, what I have around here to do this. And this might work. All right. So the next step is going to see how the airflow is coming into this thing. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get my leaf blower, because that's going to provide me the air, the forced air, because I don't have a bellow. So the leaf blower is going to have to be my bellow. It's going to have to be able to, it's going to have to use that to force the air into this chamber here that's going to keep my fire, you know, burning hot. Okay, that looks good for right now. So what I'm going to do is get my leaf blower and get some wood, and we'll just test this thing out and see how good it blows. I want to thank you for your time. I want to thank you for your prayers and your support. If you like my video, please select my channel, ring my notification bell, select all my videos. Until next time, may the Lord bless you and keep you. May His face shine upon you and give you peace. In Jesus' name, thank you.